2011 Toyota Sienna XLE 8-passenger van. It's dark red metallic, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, rear bumper protector, stow and go third row seating. Power sliding doors. Nice beige leather interior. Rear DVD entertainment system with remote. Plug inputs. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Premium JBL sound system. Toyota OE floor mats throughout. Wood grain trim. Navigation. CD player, backup camera. Obviously DVD player, heated front row seats. Auto headlights with fog lights. Just under 160,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Y'all come out and see us at Yukon.